Halloumi and spiced lentil veggie salad. Start by toasting the spices. Heat a small frying pan over high heat, then add cumin and coriander to the pan. And stir for 1 minute until you can smell the spices and they look slightly toasted. Combine the toasted spices with onion, lentils, cucumber, tomato, rocket, and parsley. Drizzle the salad with lemon juice and oil, and then toss to combine. Season with salt and pepper. To complete this salad, you're going to add some crisp golden halloumi. Heat oil in a frying pan over high heat. Add the halloumi and cook for 2 minutes each side or until the halloumi is golden. To serve it up, spoon the lentil mixture onto serving plates. Top with the halloumi, and for a lemony burst, sprinkle with lemon zest. This hearty main meal salad is packed with fresh flavour and it's ready in just 15 minutes. For more fresh ideas, head to our best ever easy salads and light meals playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.